Okay, so here's another example. So here, example 2 will give you, you're still looking for the keyword. Now, in this case, we're looking for a variable. So I went ahead and gave you a letter in the number in the sentence, and it's in a different color, so that's going to be our variable. You're trying to figure out the operation and then writing the expression. So here it reads $10 less than the original price. So the keyword is less than. So I'm going to go ahead and write that, less than. The variable, like I said, it's a different color, so I'm going to go ahead and put P for the variable. And remember, it doesn't have to be only X or Y, and it could be any other letter. Now the operation would be, because it's less than, it's going to be subtraction or subtract. I'm going to put subtraction. And then the operation would be to subtract. So it says $10 less than the original price. So I'm subtracting $10 from the original price. So the way I'm going to write it is going to be P minus 10. So sometimes you need to determine if you're subtracting from the original price or you're subtracting from 10. So in this case, we're subtracting from the original price, so that's why we're writing P minus 10. And these are the types of problems that some students have issues with when they're writing the expression. So make sure you're understanding where you're putting the subtraction. So make sure you put this in your assignment and then go to the next one. The next one you're doing on your own. Remember, come back to this video if you have trouble with the next one.